How to use Greenlight card on Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, PinMissNet, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can use Greenlight card on Cash App. Well, first things first, what you'll have to understand is you can use the Greenlight debit card anywhere Mastercard is accepted, including online and in store. So all you gotta do to use it in Cash App is add it into the cards tab. To do so, you wanna open the Cash App. Once you open it up, you wanna tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen there, and you'll be headed to this page. On this page, you want to scroll down, and under account and settings you should find the option that says linked banks. So as you can see there, you're going to tap on linked banks, and once you do so, you'll be headed to this option here. You can see you'll get the option to link debit card. Simply tap on it, and now all you got to do is you want to head into this page, add a bank using your debit card. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed here. Here you want to enter in your card details and save it, and you want to tap on link card, and you want to go ahead through the prompts to link your card, and once you are done, you'll be able to use Greenlight card on Cash App or through Cash App. So this is how you can use Greenlight card on Cash App. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.